Generate Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a series of positive numbers, integers, where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So it goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and so on. As the numbers increase, the big number, any number divided by the previous number approaches what is known as the golden ratio, which is 1.618. So given a starter list of two numbers and the function taking out a destination length, a target length, we're going to write a function that generates all the necessary Fibonacci numbers in the sequence. So if you call the function and pass in a 15, you're saying you want 15, you want a list of 15 Fibonacci numbers, the first 15. So you already have the first two, so you would need to generate the next 13. So the prompt starts you out with a little bit of scaffolding. You get a starter function, find Fibos, argument n or parameter n will be provided the argument of the number of Fibonacci numbers you want passed in. You need 13 more, but we should write that dynamically. So we'll say Fibos needed n minus the length of the Fibos starter array. So if it starts off as 2, n minus 2, 15 minus 2 is 13. And with that number, we can loop in the range from n starting at 0 to Fibos needed, which is 13 or 22 or what have you. And every time through the loop, we're going to need a new Fibo and the new value, which is going to equal the current Fibo, wherever you are in the looping, the current value plus the next value. And since you have 2 to start, right? So the very first time through the array, n is 0, Fibo 0 is 0. And you're going to add that to Fibos 1, which is 1, and get a 1. And then add that to the array. And the next time through, add that to the list. The next time through the list, the list Fibos will be 0, 1, 1, and you'll be getting the 1 and adding it to the 1 and getting a 2 and appending that. And the next time through the list, right, you'll be up to 1 and 2, and you'll be adding those two together and so on. So we're going to, now that we have our new Fibo as a sum of the current one plus the next one, we're going to append that new Fibo to the Fibos array. And when the loop is over, we're going to return Fibos. And that is it. Don't need any more code than that. Run it. It's thinking. And there you go. It worked. So that is, we'll keep this one nice and short. So that is the solution to number 4. We're just going to keep going. So thanks for watching. Next up is homework solution number 5.